Charter Internet Outage. What's PIA's Charter Internet Outage? Private Internet Access, PIA, has experienced several service outages over the years, which have been documented on their support portal. Here are some notable instances. Service outage, February 23, 2021. On February 23, 2021, PIA reported an outage that affected users' ability to access their website and utilize the VPN client.he. Issue was promptly addressed, and services were restored to normal operation. Sirs were advised to contact the help desk if they continued to experience any issues. Resolved server outage, February 25, 2022. On February 25, 2022, PIA experienced a widespread issue affecting all server locations within their desktop clients, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Over locations appeared grayed out, preventing users from connecting successfully. He. PIA team acknowledged the issue and prioritized resolving the outage. Resolved browser extension outage, April 22, 2021. On April 22, 2021, a network outage affected users' ability to connect to servers via both the Firefox and Google Chrome browser extensions. IA recommended using the desktop client or mobile application as alternatives during this period. He. Issue was resolved by April 23, 2021, and normal functionality of the browser extensions was restored. For the most current information on service statuses, PIA users can refer to the PIA support portal, which provides updates on outages, maintenance, and other relevant announcements. Additionally, the PIA application displays server statuses within the server list. If a server is experiencing an outage, an X icon will appear next to the specific server, indicating its current status. For the latest updates on service statuses, users are encouraged to visit the PIA support portal, which provides announcements and news related to outages, maintenance, and other relevant information.